It's midterm, and we're looking back at the path we've taken and forward to the path ahead. This is an opportunity. Like a sailor charting a course, we can't just assume that we're on the right heading. We need to take into account the effects of the weather and the disposition of the ship to navigate to our intended destination. As we pause, reflect, and adjust, first, we take stock of where we're at. MCAD requires midterm grades for most full semester classes. This grade is a snapshot of student progress to date. Students receive feedback throughout the semester, so while there ought not to be any major surprises, the midterm grade can be an important call to action and a chance for you to identify struggling students. But grades only tell us so much. Over the semester, you've identified topics where knowledge is soft or activities where engagement is strong. All of this is useful to consider, and leveraging observations is even easier if you keep notes somewhere on these things. We can also simply ask students. This can be an anonymous survey or an open forum, or a one-on-one conversation. Different classrooms may call for a different approach. This works best when you want students to share their perceptions. What topics still feel unclear? Where is their interest? What types of activities feel more engaging and which don't? Students don't always know what they need, but they know how it feels. So we've gathered information, and now we can adapt to the path ahead. This may look like spending a bit more time reviewing a weak concept before jumping into a derivation. It might be useful to adjust lessons to follow patterns of student engagement. If you're worried about replacing an assignment or reading outright, perhaps it's time for a differentiated approach, giving students an option between two equivalent pathways. As we're addressing our students' needs, we should also consider how the administration of the class has been for us as the instructor. How can we more efficiently use our time and effort? Where will a little preparation save us a lot of work later? Now, midterm offers a chance for a course correction, but not a whole new course. You don't need to make big changes. Small adjustments will be more manageable and ultimately more effective. You'll have a clearer understanding of what actually worked, and you can use that knowledge the next time you teach. This has been some basic advice about using the midterm as a time to pause, reflect, and adjust. It can be useful to encourage your students to do the same. There may have been some meanderings or wrong turns, but we're on this journey together, and if we use what we've learned rather than feeling like we're stuck from it, we'll arrive together on the other side. Happy travels.